Hi everyone, I am Debojit. Welcome to the channel. For the past 20 years, I've been helping design, build and scale software platforms used by millions of users around the world. And over the time, I have learned something very powerful. We are living through one of the biggest shifts in the technology history. AI is going to change the way we think, build, work and dream. But here is one truth that no one is talking about enough. AI is not going to replace software engineers, but software engineers who understand AI and strong engineering fundamentals will replace those who don't. And that is why this channel exists.
I worked across startups, fast-growing tech companies, and large global organizations, leading engineering teams, rebuilding legacy systems, migrating critical platforms to the cloud, and helping businesses innovate at scale.
You will find real world system architectures explained simply, cloud and distributed system concepts that work, practical engineering wisdom from the trenches, and how AI is changing the world of software. Not just what to do, but why it matters.
Because software engineering today isn't just about writing code. It's about building the systems that power the world. It's about solving real problems. It's about curiosity, craftsmanship, and continuous learning. AI doesn't remove the need for great engineers, it amplifies them. And if you're willing to grow, experiment, and think deeply, this is your time.
Developers build teams from scratch and have seen people grow into incredible leaders. And I truly believe anyone with the right mindset can do the same. This channel is here to support that journey, to help you think like a system architect, to help you stay relevant in the age of AI, and to help you build a career you're truly proud of. So if that sounds exciting, hit subscribe, say hi in the comments, and tell me what topics you'd love to explore. Let's learn, build, and change the future of technology together. Thanks for being here and welcome to the channel.